Welcome to Program Manager Career Paths. After watching this video, you'll be able to summarize the path to becoming a program manager and discuss tips to improve the chances of a successful career journey. Becoming a program manager requires time, dedication, and patience. Let's go through the steps required to achieve your goal of becoming a program manager with tips to ensure your success. The Project Management Institute, PMI, defines the project coordinator as a support role within project management. They have some authority to make recommendations and manage specific aspects of the project. Their key responsibilities include supporting project planning, coordinating communications, tracking progress, and resolving issues under the supervision of the project manager. A project coordinator is an entry-level position. A recommended certification to attain while in the project coordinator role is the PMI Certified Associate in Project Management, CAPM. PMI offers this certification to beginners in project management. Most project coordinators stay in this role for 1 to 3 years to develop their basic project management skills. In addition, you should aim to improve communication, time management, and team collaboration skills in this role. The next step is to become a project manager. The project manager manages individual projects from initiation to closure, including project planning, execution, monitoring, and controlling. A project manager ensures projects are delivered on time and within scope and budget. Most project managers have 3 to 5 years of experience. Several certifications can enhance their careers. They include Project Management Professional, PMI PMP, is a highly recognized certification that demonstrates expertise in project management. Agile Certified Practitioner, PMI ACP, is a certification acknowledging understanding and expertise in an adaptive, agile project management framework. Certified Scrum Master, CSM, is a highly recognized certification available through the Scrum Alliance. Certified Scrum Product Owner, CSPO, is a highly recognized certification available through the Scrum Alliance. Perfect your project management, risk management, budgeting, leadership, and strategic thinking skills while being a project manager. The last step is to become a senior manager or program manager. You will oversee multiple projects within a program, ensure the program's alignment with organizational goals, manage project managers, and handle program-level risks and opportunities. You will also work with portfolio managers and senior leadership. Most senior project or program managers have 5 to 10 years of experience. At this point, consider these certifications. PMI Program Management Professional, PGMP certificate, demonstrates advanced experience and skills in managing multiple related projects. Many project managers pursue this certification after achieving PMP certification. Six Sigma, Green Belt or Black Belt, is a process improvement and quality management certification. If becoming a senior project or program manager is your goal, consider pursuing a master's degree in business administration, MBA, or a specialized field relevant to your industry. Also, improve your program management, strategic alignment, leadership, portfolio management, and stakeholder management skills. Transitioning from a project coordinator to a project manager and eventually to a program manager involves gaining experience, developing relevant skills, obtaining certifications, and networking. Here are some tips to enhance your chances of a successful transition. Volunteer for additional responsibilities and manage small projects. Find coaches and mentors who can share their expertise and help you grow. Demonstrate your ability to lead teams and make decisions. Seek leadership training programs and practice leadership in professional and personal settings. Improve your ability to convey project information clearly and effectively. Practice active listening and develop skills to tailor your communication style to different audiences. Start with a CAPM certification and progress to the PMP and PGMP certifications. Stay updated with the latest certification requirements and renewals to maintain your credentials. Take project management and business administration courses or pursue an MBA. Explore specialized programs or certifications relevant to your industry to deepen your knowledge. Attend industry seminars and workshops and join professional organizations like PMI. Engage in online forums and social media groups to connect with other professionals and share knowledge. Learn to align projects with organizational goals and develop long-term plans. Participate in strategic planning sessions and study case studies of successful program management. Enhance your skills in managing and communicating with diverse stakeholders. Develop a stakeholder management plan and use feedback to improve your approach. Document and communicate your project successes and their impact on the organization. Create a portfolio of your work and update your resume and LinkedIn profile regularly. Take on roles that require strategic oversight and leadership of multiple projects or programs. Volunteer for cross-functional teams and seek out challenging assignments that stretch your capabilities. In this video, you learned that to become a program manager, start as a project coordinator, support project planning, get the CAPM certification, and develop communication and time management skills. Next, become a project manager with 3 to 5 years of experience. Obtain certifications and enhance your leadership skills. Advance to senior or program manager, overseeing multiple projects. Obtain PMI, PGMP, and Six Sigma certifications, and consider an MBA or specialized master's degree. Some tips for a successful transition. Volunteer for additional responsibilities and manage small projects. Demonstrate leadership and decision-making abilities. Attend industry seminars and workshops and join professional organizations like PMI. Enhance stakeholder management and communication skills. Document and communicate project successes. Update your professional portfolio and resume. Seek roles requiring strategic oversight and leadership of multiple projects or programs.